Hey there, today we're diving into the sleek and functional Spigen Center Console Organizer Tray, Carbon Edition, designed specifically for Tesla Model 3 and Y from 2022 to 2024, but please note it's not compatible with the Model 3 2024. This organizer is crafted from premium PC material, ensuring durability while featuring a subtle logo for that extra touch of elegance. Its smooth slide technology allows you to effortlessly slide the tray in and out, giving you easy access to the lower console or the option to keep things hidden away. Installation is a breeze with its precise fit in the front console, making it a quick and hassle-free addition to your Tesla. With built-in organization, it simplifies storage, keeping your essentials neat and tidy. Whether you're on a road trip or just heading to work, this organizer enhances your driving experience by keeping everything in its place. So, if you're looking to upgrade your Tesla's interior with a touch of style and functionality, the Spigen Center Console Organizer Tray is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.